Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a product mock-up using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to elements and we're going to select the product that we want to showcase. Once we have selected that, we're going to go to edit photos, then we're going to scroll until we see mockups. Now when we're in mockups, we're going to select whatever we want to put the product on. So we're going to select a cup or a smartphone, computer, anything you want. So I'm going to work with a computer. Alright, I'm searching for something I like. I like this one. Alright, so here we have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the size. Now I'm going to apply changes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to elements. We're going to select that same image. We're going to go back to edit photos, mockups. Now we're going to select a smartphone. Alright, so I'm going to work with this one. We're going to do the same thing. Adjust the size. Apply changes. We're going to extend this one. Okay, so we're going to duplicate the phone. We're going to edit this one. Again, there you have it. Alright, so I want my design to be more of a floral. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this one first. Alright, so I'm going to select lock. Now I'm going to go to elements. Then I'm going to search for a vine. I'm going to resize. Okay, so now I'm going to unlock this. Then you can add whatever elements you want. So right here, I'm going to add a background. Now I'm going to add some text. I'm going to go to effects. Now I'm going to select color. Change the color. I'm going to change it to brown. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.